In this tutorial series, we're going to learn the ins and outs of the property editor, one of Bubble's core tools that lets us set and fine-tune the design and interactivity of our app. Now, if you're already familiar with Bubble, this is still a great series to skim to learn how to use Bubble's new property editor. You might just want to jump ahead to the next lesson where we actually start building things out. If you're new to Bubble entirely, this is a great place to start getting the hang of the basics. But first, here's a little context of what the property editor is and why it's so valuable to learn. With Bubble, you can launch real web and native mobile apps, front-end and back-end, all in one place. We have users worldwide who build anything from fun personal apps to fully scaled enterprise businesses.
How many people have been building this app?
So it's just me, full-time, and there are 1.3 million people that are using the app.
No matter your use case, one of the most powerful aspects of building in Bubble is you choose how you want to build, with no code ever necessary. For example, as you can see here, Bubble is a full AI building platform, so you can prompt for whatever kind of app you want to jumpstart your build, and you can keep chatting with AI to iterate on and refine your app page by page, view by view, feature by feature. As a starting point for this tutorial, I've just prompted a little social media mobile app here, Instagram for aquarium enthusiasts. It gave me multiple views, some styling and design, and even some dummy data for testing, all of which I can immediately see in the app preview. But unlike other AI building platforms, Bubble also lets you build manually using visual editing. Any element you create, by hand or AI, can be modified by hand or AI. And a good deal of that building and customizing happens in the property editor. Let's say your app needs a button. You're going to want to set the size of the button, its position in the app, its color, any text or icons it might display. You'll also want to set conditions. How does the button change if you hover over it? What does it look like if the user isn't allowed to press it just yet? And you'll want to set workflows. You'll want to program what happens when the user clicks the button. All of these can be managed with the property editor. And Bubble gives you that full depth of control for any element on your page, whether placed by hand or generated. And now that we've covered how the property editor fits into the greater Bubble ecosystem, we're ready to get started.